Moving out of a rental property isn't as simple as packing your belongings and handing over the keys. Most lease agreements require tenants to provide written notice before leaving. If you fail to give proper notice, you could face extra rent charges, lose part of your security deposit, or even violate your lease agreement. That's why a professional notice to vacate letter is an important document every tenant should know how to write. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to write a professional notice to vacate letter step by step. We'll go through every section individually, explain what to write, why each part is important, provide a complete sample for every section, and share practical advice throughout to help ensure your move-out process goes as smoothly as possible. Let's get started. The first section is the sender's information. At the top of the letter, write your full name, current rental address, email address, and phone number. This identifies who is submitting the notice and gives the landlord or property manager an easy way to contact you if necessary. This information is important because the property manager needs to identify the tenant and confirm which lease agreement the notice applies to. Before sending your letter, make sure all your contact information is current so you don't miss any important communication regarding your move-out. Now let's move to the date. Always include the date the notice is written. For this example, write August 1st, 2026. The date is important because it establishes when your notice was officially given. Many lease agreements require a specific notice period, such as 30 or 60 days, and the date helps determine whether you've met that requirement. It's always a good idea to review your lease agreement before writing the letter to make sure you're providing the required amount of notice. Next is the recipient's information. Write the name of the landlord or property manager, their title, the property name if applicable, and the property location. Including this information ensures your letter is directed to the correct person responsible for managing your tenancy. If your landlord has instructed tenants to send notices to a specific office or management company, be sure to follow those instructions. Now write the subject line. Your subject should immediately explain the purpose of your letter. For this sample, write Subject: Notice of intent to vacate rental property. A clear subject line allows the property manager to immediately understand what the letter concerns without reading the entire document. Keep the subject professional and direct so there is no confusion about your request. Next comes the salutation. Address the landlord or property manager respectfully. Write, Dear Mr. Reed. A professional greeting helps establish a courteous tone from the beginning of the letter. If you know the landlord's or manager's name, always use it instead of a generic greeting whenever possible. Now let's begin with the first paragraph. The opening paragraph clearly states your intention to move out and references your lease agreement. Here's the sample. I am writing to formally provide notice of my intention to vacate the rental property located at Unit 204, Blue Oak Apartments, Lexington, Kentucky, in accordance with the terms of my lease agreement. This paragraph is important because it officially informs the landlord that you are ending your tenancy. It also shows that you're following the procedures outlined in your lease. State your intention clearly and avoid vague wording. The landlord should immediately understand that this letter serves as your official notice. Now let's move to the second paragraph. This section specifies your notice period, your intended move-out date, and explains how you plan to leave the property. Here's the sample. Please accept this letter as my 30-day notice, with my intended move-out date being August 31st, 2026. I will ensure that the apartment is cleaned, all personal belongings are removed, and the property is returned in good condition, subject to normal wear and tear, before I surrender possession. This paragraph is important because it establishes your official move-out date and reassures the landlord that you intend to leave the property responsibly. Before moving out, review your lease for cleaning responsibilities and repair obligations. Leaving the property in good condition can help prevent unnecessary deductions from your security deposit. Now let's continue with the third paragraph. After stating your move-out plans, ask about the procedures required to complete your tenancy. Here's the sample. I would appreciate it if you could inform me of any move-out procedures, including the scheduling of a final inspection, the return of the apartment keys, and any other requirements necessary to complete the termination of my tenancy. Additionally, I kindly request information regarding the return of my security deposit and any documentation that may be required for that process. This section is important because every landlord or property management company may have different move-out procedures. Asking in advance helps avoid misunderstandings later. It's also helpful to request a final inspection before you leave. This gives you an opportunity to address any concerns before the tenancy officially ends. Now let's move to the fourth paragraph. This section provides your forwarding address. Here's the sample. My forwarding address for future correspondence and the return of my security deposit is as follows: 7426 Willow Creek Drive, Louisville, Kentucky, 40222. This information is important because once you've moved, the landlord will need a new address to send your security deposit, final documents, or any additional correspondence. Double-check your forwarding address carefully before submitting the letter. A simple mistake could delay important mail or your deposit refund. Now let's continue with the fifth paragraph. This paragraph thanks the landlord for the rental experience and expresses appreciation for their cooperation. Here's the sample. Thank you for your assistance and for providing a positive rental experience during my tenancy. I appreciate your cooperation throughout my lease and look forward to completing the move-out process smoothly. Including a courteous message helps maintain a positive relationship and leaves a professional final impression. Even if you're moving because of personal reasons or a new opportunity, keeping the letter polite and respectful is always the best approach. Now let's look at the closing paragraph. The final paragraph lets the landlord know you're available if additional information is needed. Here's the sample. Should you require any additional information, please feel free to contact me using the phone number or email address listed above. This reassures the landlord that you're willing to cooperate until the move-out process has been completed. Try to remain responsive after submitting your notice. Prompt communication can make scheduling inspections and completing paperwork much easier. Finally, end the letter with a professional closing. Write, sincerely, then write your name. Before we finish, remember that a notice to vacate letter is more than just informing your landlord that you're leaving. It serves as an official record that protects both you and the property owner. Make sure your move-out date matches your lease requirements. Keep a copy of the letter for your records, and whenever possible, deliver it using a method that provides proof of delivery, such as certified mail or email, if permitted by your lease. It's also wise to document the condition of the rental property before you leave. Take photographs or videos after cleaning the unit and before returning the keys. Keeping copies of your notice letter, inspection reports, receipts for any repairs, and communication with your landlord can be extremely helpful if questions arise regarding your security deposit or the condition of the property after your tenancy ends. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to write a professional notice to vacate letter with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to writing tutorials for more writing guides and sample letters, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.